Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel tablet device, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin if you have removed it. So, if you have removed the photos, so I'll show you it right now, and I need to clarify a few nuances. So for example, I have this yesterday's photo and video, so I wanna choose it and I wanna remove it, so I'm clicking trash bin, go it, move to trash. Cool. So now, if you have enabled the Google Backup, you have 60 days to recover these photos and videos. But if you have not enabled the Google Backup, you have 30 days to recover to recover photos and videos from the recycle bin. So how to find the recycle bin? So it's not too difficult to find. So here, as you can see in Google Photos, you have the left panel, and here you have library button. So click on it, and now scroll down, and here you will see favorites, utilities, archive, and trash. So click on trash, and here you will see all recently deleted photos and videos. Press and hold on the photo you want to recover. I don't know why, but here selecting is working not too good. So choose the photos and videos you want to recover and click restore, and go back to the normal gallery to check it. And as you can see, this photo and video was successfully recovered. So thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the other channel, and bye. See you.